Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Top Cars TV. Today's video is a little different, and maybe a bit controversial, because we are talking about why you might want to think twice before buying a luxury SUV. Yes, they look stunning, they feel premium, and they definitely turn heads, but are they really worth your hard-earned money? Let's break it down honestly and help you decide whether a luxury SUV is a smart buy, a broken bar, or a regret waiting to happen. When it comes to exterior design, luxury SUVs are undeniably impressive. Bold grilles, sleek LED lighting, massive alloy wheels, and that commanding road presence make them look like royalty on wheels. Whether parked outside a restaurant or cruising through the city, they instantly grab attention. But here's the catch: this premium design often comes with oversized dimensions, making them harder to park, difficult to maneuver in tight city spaces, and sometimes just impractical for everyday use. Scratches, dents, and maintenance of that beautiful exterior can also cost significantly more than a regular SUV, so while it looks amazing, it also demands constant care. Now let's talk about performance. Luxury SUVs usually come with powerful engines, a turbocharged, hybrid, or even V6 and V8 options that deliver smooth acceleration and high-speed comfort. The ride quality is refined, the suspension absorbs bumps beautifully, and driving on highways feels effortless. But the downside: fuel efficiency is often poor, especially in urban traffic conditions. You might enjoy the power occasionally, but most of the time, you're stuck in traffic burning fuel and money. Plus, maintenance costs for these high-performance engines are much higher, and even minor repairs can hit your wallet hard. Moving on to unique selling points, luxury SUVs are packed with features: premium leather interiors, panoramic sunroofs, massive infotainment screens, ambient lighting, and advanced connectivity. Everything feels high-end, and yes, it gives you that elite experience. However, many of these features are not necessities, they are luxuries you pay heavily for. Over time, some of these tech features can become outdated or even problematic, especially when software glitches or electronic issues arise. You're essentially paying a premium for comfort and tech that may not age as well as you expect. When it comes to safety features, luxury SUVs usually excel. They come loaded with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and automatic emergency braking. These features definitely enhance safety and driving confidence. But here's something to consider: many modern mid-range SUVs now offer similar safety features at a much lower price. So while luxury SUVs are safe, they're no longer the only option if safety is your priority. Now let's talk about the most important factor: price. Luxury SUVs are expensive, and not just at the time of purchase. The initial cost is high, but the real expense begins after that: insurance, maintenance, fuel, spare parts, and depreciation. Luxury vehicles tend to lose value faster, meaning what you buy today for a premium price could be worth significantly less in just a few years. On top of that, servicing and repairs require specialized parts and expertise, which further increases the long-term cost of ownership. So, what's the final verdict? Luxury SUVs are great if you value comfort, status, and premium experiences, and if budget is not a concern. But for most people, they are more of a lifestyle choice than a practical investment. You're paying extra for brand value, aesthetics, and features that you may not fully utilize every day. In many cases, a well-equipped standard SUV can offer almost the same functionality, reliability, and safety at a much lower cost. So before you rush to buy that dream luxury SUV, ask yourself: do you really need it? Or do you just want it? That simple question could save you a lot of money and regret. If you enjoyed this honest take, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Top Cars TV for more real-world car insights. See you in the next one.